Page or issue 79 of Building the Batmobile from Batman 1966 or 1967 at the moment because we're in February the 8th. In fact, we had a week off for the sounds of it. Yeah, so this is the Riddler is back again, Batman's anniversary. Robin is learning geometry when lessons are halted by the Batphone. Clues in the crossword. Oh, it's puzzles in the Riddler, yeah. So then we're looking at Catwoman and Batman 2005 through tumultuous year for Batman, betrayed by his closest friends. Dark and brooding. Red Hood. Huge and little person. Robin is recruited in the first part of the All-Star Batman and Robin. Doesn't look recruited, it looks more tortured. But there we go. Right, this is the upper dashboard. So we're fitting buttons to it and then fitting it to the lower dashboard. Got to get the buttons in the right order because otherwise they'd all be out of order. So we'll do that, then fit that together, and then we've got our whole dashboard ready for more bits to go onto it next time. So let me clear this out of the way and we'll get that done. The dashboard is here. We've got several buttons to place. The first one is the big round one, which is going in there. I'm going to be putting my even closer glasses on. Some of these are obviously important to get the right way round, as well as being quite fine detail stuff. So that needs to go on there. This is increase output. Not sure what button that is. That is the homing receiver scope button, apparently. There we go. Then we've got these two triangular ones, which will go either side of this. I'm actually going to use a small pair of tweezers for these. Otherwise, they're going to go everywhere. They will go in there like that. I'm assuming they are both the same. They've both got the same part number, so yes, they'll be the same. That one in there, that one in there. I can twist that round enough. There we go. They are both pointing upwards in the pictures. There we go. Then we've got these ones to put in place. Now they have to go in a specific order. We have red being first. Get lined up and popped in place. There we go. Then we have blue, then silver. So these are not printed in the right order. Blue next, which is this one. I'm not worried about cutting these off because the bit that we'd have to keep neat is the bit that's going through the hole anyway. So you can't actually see if they're cut off neatly or not. Blue and then silver. I'm pretty sure you're not going to notice these anyway. You'll notice the buttons, but you wouldn't notice the colours on them if I do get them the wrong way round. But I will endeavour to get it right because, you know, Batman, it's not like the windows on the Enterprise that I put in on my own lighting system a little bit and messed around with the positioning of them. Right, let me get the last three of these done off camera and then we'll see about attaching the two parts together. There we go, they're all in and nicely pushed securely down in the right order as well. So this is going onto the back of this. So it's sort of, how best to describe it? It goes on there like that. So although the dashboard is here, the buttons are sort of over the back in a strange sort of position. And the screws obviously fit from the back. So turn that over. We'll get one through the middle. Like that. And then one either end. Nice and easy. And leaving us set up for other things to be added to this next time. One more bit in the corner there. There we go. That is that. Get them all tightened up and we will be completed. Another issue done. Another part looking quite nice. Put our spares in our back cup. And there we go. That is our dashboard coming along now. So join me next time when we'll be adding a bit more to it as well. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.